Hey guys, what's up? It's Aaron from TeamABomasnow here, and I'll be doing a pack opening. The Forces of Nature collection. It's the only way to get the full art Landorus. And let's begin. Uh-oh. I think I'm having issues. I am having major issues, and I probably damaged a card. It took way too long. Way too long. So we have the full art Landorus. Actually, kind of nice artwork. Then the two foil Tornadus Thunderous. Nice artwork. I just prefer the full arts. Leave those over here. We've got two packs. Three packs. Two Emerging Powers, one Call of Legends. Too bad Call of Legends has been rotated. And let's begin by opening the Call of Legends pack, which again, I'm having issues with, because we've been doing a Bomasnow Cup all day. Snubble, Mareep, Teddy Ursa. This card's funny. Apparently some junior did really well at this at Nats a few years ago. Fanfy, Eevee, Foil Viper, Mr. Mime, Cheerleader's Cheer, Professor Oak's New Theory, great draw supporter, really missed this card, and Pidgeotto. Autofocus. Code card. Ruffet, Petal, Mincino, Gothita, Sandal, Whimsicott, Manibuzz, a Pokemon catcher, nice. Put that aside, Recycle, and Tranquil. Nice pulls with the catcher. Just too bad it wasn't in foil. And I'm having issues with more packs. Code card, Cubchoo, Roggenrola, Drobler, Pansage, Mincino, Foil Beartick, Full Art Thunderous, Zora, Great Ball, and a Max Potion. So out of this box, we got a full art Landorus, the two foils, Max Potion, a Full Art Thunderous, crappy Beartick, a Pokemon catcher, which is always nice, and Viper. Too bad this box had what do you call it? Rotated cards, but I'd say the packs are worth it. See you next time.